What's up, guys? I'm going to talk to you guys about acceleration today. Okay, so our problem is a speed skater accelerates at 5 meters per second squared. The skater starts at rest and accelerates to a velocity of 10 meters per second. How long does it take to accelerate? Okay, what are we looking for? How long is time known? Acceleration is known to be 5 meters per second squared, and when it says it starts at rest, we know our initial velocity is 0 meters per second, and our final velocity is 10 meters per second. Okay, so we use the equation A equals V2 minus V1 over t. But we're looking for time, so we're going to have to rearrange some equations. But first, I'm going to demonstrate the concept of change in velocity. So we have two velocities here and two velocities here. Now we can say V2 minus V1 as change in velocity, or delta V. So now we have the equation A equals delta V over t. Okay, now we're going to change this equation to solve for t. So we multiply by t, cancel, and then divide by a, and we get t equals delta V over a. Now, we are going to plug in our numbers into this. So t equals delta V over a, but we said that delta V is V2 minus V1. So we can do that on the side. Delta V equals V2, 10 meters per second, minus 0 meters per second. So delta V equals 10 meters per second. Our acceleration, as we said, was 5 meters per second squared. So we divide those two numbers, and we get time equals 2 seconds. And if you want to see how these units cancel, when you divide, you are multiplying by the second number's reciprocal. So this is 10 meters per second times 1 over 5 seconds squared over meters. So meters cancel here, one of the seconds cancels here, so we're left with seconds. So as I said, 2 seconds.